Lip balm?
Lip balm pink. You just cannot see it lip balm.
Saan yung hair ng color ng hair ko? Wala naman.
It's in all the back. But you have to do like this.
Show it to the camera.
To the camera? Okay, let me show the camera. Wait lang, we cannot do like this. We need backwards. Okay, here we are. He's colorful. He looks like a girl, like. You see the purple? And you want to see something right there? A color something here. Where's that? You see that? Color pink. Kidding.
Again?
Yeah, again. This is how I do to today. So now doing it to you, a lot of lipstick. So you cannot remove it. Today she cannot remove it.
Knock na yan.
You look like a princess. Mommy, look at Dad.
Okay.
Maybe I can make up here just
Okay.
First morning. Sino ba morning first?
Saan yan?
You are so shy if you see.
Enough na? Tapos na?
Almost.
Bilisan mo. I'm late for my date.
Why, babe?
So you're making me beautiful, right?
Yeah. I need to make you beautiful for your date and your girl. I mean your boyfriend. Your boyfriend. Stop opening. Okay, we're done with these.
Done na?
Yeah, we're not yet done. But you can open this again.
Ano ba naman yan?
I'm begging you.
What's this?
For your cheek.
So what you call this one?
Eyeshadow.
Ano eyeshadow? Tapos yung eyeshadow, blush?
Blush.
Blush on.
Blush on.
Bilisan mo. Pagmumukha mo eh, no?
You cannot remove this, I know.
Okay, sige.
Then when your friends see it, what are you gonna laugh?
I will tell that my daughter,
What?
make me, beautiful.
I cannot remove his nose in the video.
Okay na?
Apo.
Beautiful na ako?
Yes.
Ganyan?
No. Do like this.
Okay na?
Yes, yes, bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye. I need to say bye-bye. Okay, this is the... Wait, this...